usage of have and has, and where to use have and where to use has. So in this video we're going to learn. Let's go and we will understand how to use have and has here. So already have written and have and has, and before that we have to understand where to use have and has. So when the action is completed, that is affecting present. When the action is completed, that is affecting present, there we are using have. Okay, so that area we are using have and has when the action is completed. So now when the action is completed, how do you say it? Let's make a sentence. So I am going to write here some subject here. Okay, so now for I and we are using for all this have, and he, she, it, has. So this is the first rule that we have to follow here when we are making sentence by using have and has. So let us make sentence, and which verb we have to use. So actually we have V1 to V5 verb forms. Okay, so when we used have and has, so we have to use past participles. The verb will come. That is V3 form. That is V3 form. Let us take example. Complete, completed, completed, completing, completes. So now which one is? V3 is completed. So when we used have and has, your verb will be V3 form. Don't forget that verb will be V3 form. This is compulsory. Okay, so we are using that. Now let us make sentence by using have and has. Start. So I have completed my work. I have completed my work. Now what's going? This is subject. This is have, and this is a verb called with. Now this is object. Get it? So now just replace it. They have completed assignments. Okay, so we can use it. So we can understand subject, this is a have, and this is also with. So this is how we are to use have and has. Okay, now I am making some more sentences. So he has gone to temple. Means when we use he, she must be has. Then this is the V3 form, and this is. Don't forget this. This is very important. Get it? So now we can use it. She has gone to temple. Understand it? So this is how we have to use. This is I'm giving you just a normal information. How to use, where to use, which one we must follow. So not only temple, what I have written on the book, we can use many things. So I am making sense. I have completed my work. They have completed their work. She has completed her work. He has completed his work. He has gone to temple. She has gone to hospital. I have gone to my native. So like this we are using. So when we used have and has, a verb must be V3 form, verb form. So I am showing you what is that V1, V3 and how do you understand. You can understand by that. I am going to show you now. Just wait and see. So I will show you. Let us imagine. So I'll take a small example. Okay, go. Go. Went. Gone. Going. So I am writing only. Okay, I am writing one more. Goes. Now let us understand which one is. This is V1 form. This is V2. this is V3, this is V4, this is V5. So now I have told you already, when we use have and has, which verb we should use? I am writing one. Complete. What then? Completed. Then again, completed. Then completing. Completes. This is very simple. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. This is how we use verbs when we are using sentence, especially when we are using have and has. Always have to use verb must, V3. This is compulsory to use when we used have and has. Hope this video is useful for you, and please watch this video without skipping, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and have a good day.